Well, good morning there YouTube. This is the unpacking of my new screen for the Kawasaki Z2000SX on a 2016 plate. It's a taller screen altogether. It is a dark tint one. Yeah, it's a British company that I bought it from. They've been running now since 2016, but they don't actually stock stuff in Britain. They get it straight from the manufacturer and it gets delivered from the manufacturer. We had a bit of a misunderstanding over the delivery because the tracking thing stopped working on the app. Yes, I find the original screen a little touch too small. And it's sort of, even though it's on the high setting, because they have the 3 settings on the Kawasaki Z1000SX manual, it's just beneath the clock, the lever, and it's about, comes up about this high, but it seems to be hitting me in my chest around here, so I've gone for one. That's a bit taller. Much difference in size, to tell you the truth. That took well, I'll give it that much. I will tell the company that. Use the whole reel of tin wrapping shrink. There we go. All that. There we go. Yeah, the company's called To Be Fast, and as I say, they're started up in England, 2016. And it's off eBay. Now I looked at the MRA one and I don't like the shape of that one. So I looked and I come across this company, To Be Fast. And I think they're like a third party company. They stock some stuff, but screens, it comes from direct from the manufacturer. Now this is supposed to be 50mm higher than the original screen. Oh yeah. Dark tint Harry's. Yeah, it's much bigger that. It's got a lip all the way around there, and they're the 3 bolts there that hold it on. So hopefully it will be bigger. Let's give it a look. Actually, I'm quite impressed with this black back in here. Because on the clear ones you can see all your cowl and it don't look very nice. So that'll blank it totally out. And that I can see through. I don't know if you can see through that. I'll just get it. See my hand? I don't know if you can see my hand moving. So hopefully that'll stop the wind hitting my chest. Anyway, I'll take the one off the bike and then get back to you. Okay, thank you. To all the new subscribers, thank you very much for subscribing. I know a lot of you watch Paul's channel, all about motorbikes. He did give me a shout and I'd just like to thank him very, very much. I think he's a great fella and his family absolutely brilliant. Hopefully I'll be going up to see him at the end of the month on my bike. I've got him some bits, small bits. And I I'd like to just say thank you again for the new subscribers from Paul's channel. Thank you very much. Please feel free to comment. I will definitely get back to you, as I think, as you know, I have done. So, thank you for now. Bye-bye. Bye. We're back again. I've just brought the bike out. I'll compare this now. So, you've got that there. So, I don't know if you can see that. It's roughly about that much taller. So, you're looking at a good 60 mil. And another 10 or more. So, I'd say, yeah, at least 20 wider. Now I've already took the liberty of taking these screws out. As you should know, there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll just fit this on here. Put this on here for you. Hope it lines up. Always takes longer to do. That's that lined in. Right, just leave that there. Get another screw. Just there. All that. And there. Yeah, so it should be a lot better with the height of it and the width, definitely. Definitely should be better with the height and the width. Pinch them up a bit more. Oh no, it looks different. Definitely does look different. Yeah. Why are these plastic protective washers so hard to pick up when they drop down? Hey? Even if you've got nails. Just a pinch of it. Hopefully it should do what I want it for. Just come this side so you can see. Put the 2 top in and the 2 bottom, and it should just pull the centre one straight in, lined up. That's alright. Tighten that and look at that pinch. That's enough. You don't want to be doing these too tight, tight enough to grip, but not over tighten, because even though they've got the protective plastic washers on, I don't know if you can see that, protective plastic washer, they can still crack your screen. But the actual screen is 5mm thick. It's quite a thick, heavy duty screen. I know it's sitting high at the moment because I've got it on the ice setting. I think it blends in well with the black bike at the front. The black metallic sparkle. Let's come this side so you can see. Yep, cheap silver line X-heads Allen keys. Well, it works, I don't care. They're not used for heavy work, that's it. That's spot on. Right, let's have a look at that now. Step back. bring it back so you can see. There you go. I'll put it in the lower position. That's it drop down. That's it down. Yeah, I think that's for the when you're going really quick. Then you've got position 2 and then position 3. Sorry, position 2. That's 1, 2, and then 3. Right. I'll just then click this off here. And just bring it in so you can, oh, just bring it in here so you can see. That's the 3. And from there you can actually see through her, even though she's a dark tint. But your lever to adjust the bars is that one there. You just push it down, it drops it backwards and forwards. You must know how these work on the Z1000 SXs. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget, on the 15th, Friday the 15th, the bike's going in to have the suspension set for me. So hit that bell icon. Hit the bell icon and definitely subscribe, share and please like and thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching this short video. I'll just do a quick walk around on the left side of her. Just alter that screen down there, you might see it drop back. There you go, it's dropped down now. That's the angle with the screen drop down. Makes it more sporty. I really do like this black here on the back side of it. Underneath you can't see none of the cowling. So if I come back, there you go. One Z1000 SX nearly complete. I've got a mesh coming through in here to protect the air downpipes a bit. I've got the radiator grille cover on order, same as the Ugger fender extender, sorry, and same one here. I'm having it extended out to about here, so I'm just waiting for them to be delivered, and that'll be it on this bike because there's nothing else that needs doing to it. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.